Hi dear students, today we will discuss a new chapter, that is your natural disasters. So dear students, as you know that all the time calamities are events, it is happening naturally. So calamities are event which may cause damage to the human life and the property. That type of calamities are known as natural calamities, okay? Natural calamities, or you can say the natural disaster. Okay students, the calamities which occur naturally are called natural disaster. Okay, so in the natural disaster, one more thing I would like to share with you, that is the volcanoes. Okay students, so very well known about that volcano is something that erupted from the down part of the earth. Okay, so what will happen, let's have a look. Volcanoes are cracks. It is just crack or opening in the earth's crust. Okay. In the earth crust surface, there is a something opening. Okay. Through which the molten rock along with other gases and ash comes out. Just listen to me students. Actually earth is the center part of the core is the center part of the earth. Okay. Crust, mantle, core. Okay. So crust is the earth's core or center of the earth contain molten rock. What will happen in this? So these hot molten rocks is come out, okay, from the surface, from the crust surface, okay, and with the help of a path, with the help of a panel, this is the path by which the hot molten rocks come out, or you can say getting eruption, okay. So that way is known as vent. With the help of vent, the hot molten rocks come out from the down part of the earth, or you can say the crust portions of the earth. Okay student? So hot molten rock is known as a magma. So that magma will come out to the upper portions. Okay, magma pushes in upward direction. Okay, so with the help of vent, via this vent, that is come out. Okay, and after that what will happen, that lava is getting solidified, and after getting solidification it will change into the rocks. And in the previous chapter we had already discussed about the igneous rock, metamorphic or sedimentary rock, these all are. So this is the way by which you can easily see the eruptions of a volcano. Okay students, now this hot molten rock inside the earth, that is called a magma, earlier I had told you. When it erupts and flow on the surface of the earth through these cracks, through this crack, or you can say this opening, that is your lava. That is called lava. Okay. And volcanoes are usually found in the form of actually conical mountain. It is always be found in a conical mountain. Okay. Conical, what you say? Conical, like this, a cone shaped. Okay. So the magma rushes out through a vertical tunnel, and that vertical tunnel I had already told you the name is vent, and flow out through the craters, and that is known as the lava. When lava cools, then it getting solidified and turn into the rocks. Okay. So on the basis of these eruption means there is a many type of volcanoes actually. So today we will discuss about the types of volcanoes. Actually there are three types of volcanoes will be there, okay, according on the basis of their eruptions. Something erupted naturally, it means a daily, you can say something erupted in a very just in a normal way, you can say, and some eruptions will be just more than time, it will take a more times. Okay, so on the basis of their eruptions, volcanoes are categorized into three types. Okay, later we will discuss about this type. So dear students, on the basis of their eruptions, there is a mainly three types of volcanoes will be there. Firstly, I would like to tell you about the active volcanoes. What will happen according to the name, you will get identity very well known about that. Active, it means it is generally active. Okay, so it erupts regularly in the regular manner, you can say this type of volcanoes will be happen. Okay, and generally active volcanoes you will be found in the Pacific Oceans. Okay, that's why Pacific Ocean is known as a Pacific Ring of Fire. Pacific Ring of Fire, why? Because this type of volcanoes generally have seen there. Okay students, so it erupts regularly and may erupt any time in the futures. So if we are talking about in the whole world, then there are, you can say that 500, near about 500 active volcanoes will be there. Okay students. Now you know Mount Vesuvius and Mount Fuji are the main two famous volcanoes. Okay, you have to keep in your mind this name, these two names you have to keep in your mind, dear students, that active volcanoes. What are the name of active volcanoes? Mount Vesuvius and Mount Fuji. Mount Vesuvius and Mount Fuji are the two active famous volcanoes. Okay. Now the next point we will move towards that the dormant volcanoes. What will happen dormant volcanoes? These volcanoes are just currently not erupting, but it may be erupt in the futures. Okay. Now the last one is your extinct volcanoes. Extinct volcano means it is just going to be finished completely, or you can say that there is a completely stopped erupting, but it exists. Okay students, it may erupt because there is a no longer have a lava supply. Okay, so many extinct volcanoes are found on the Hawaiian Island. Okay, so according to on the base of their eruptions, there is a three kinds of volcanoes: active volcanoes, dormant volcanoes, as well as the extinct volcanoes. So these all are the natural disaster, dear students, and we must losses many of the things in our life. Okay, later we will discuss about the earthquake. Okay, so watch this video carefully. Thank you.